everyone, it's John at Alfa Romeo Maserati St. Petersburg. This is a Porsche 718 Cayman. Dude, this thing is really fast. Oh my goodness. Wow, this thing's crazy. Hey everybody, it's John here inside with Vinny. Found out professional Porsche race car driver, or at least used to be. Tell me, well, you know more than I do.
Yeah, I raced Porsches, was racing spec, used to race Daytona prototypes, so should be racing in the HSR 24 hours coming in November, Daytona, so.
That's amazing. That's super amazing. What do you think about this car? You probably know more than I do about this car. What's going on? Talk to me.
Well, I don't know what I think until I drive it, see how it actually is, but they're really well-built cars, they're very reliable. They're basically race cars for the street.
I see the APR badging on this. I mean, APR I know has done a lot with the tuning with Audi, Porsche, VW.
So this car's a APR flash in it, which added 67 horsepower and 61 pounds-feet of torque.
Nice.
According to APR with this VIN number.
Awesome. That's awesome. Well, we're going to take it out and see what it can do. Dude, this thing is really fast. Oh my goodness. That's some handling. Wow. Whew. Serious G's.
I mean, it drives nice.
Oh yeah, man, you're a driver. There's no doubt about that.
You can definitely tell it's got that little bit of turbo lag.
You can definitely drive way beyond my capability. Wow, what a car. That is amazing. I'm so glad we did this. In my opinion, we may have some of the coolest cars around here. And look at this. This is a beautiful 2018 Porsche 718 Cayman. If you see the front, we'll show you, it's got some APR badging on it as well. This is a gorgeous car. I like this car. I'm gonna show you around the vehicle. Just starting from the front, this looks very, very aggressive. You see that Porsche crest right there, which is awesome. You also see that APR badging right there. This is the Cayman. It looks, the 718, it looks really, really cool right here. You can see it from different angles, and I really, really like it a lot. Looks very strong. I mean, what I like about this is it looks like a race car, but also looks very classy. Now, here you see the wheels. So this is really, really sharp right now. You've got the 19-inch wheels, the 235/40 ZR19 tires by Michelin, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. You've got the cross-drilled rotors right there by Porsche. Here you see the big air dam, the big air take right there, intake right there. And then you also have the back tires. Now these are 265/40 ZR19s. So that's really awesome. Now look at this exhaust. Carbon fiber covering on that exhaust. 718 Cayman. APR badging as well. This is a really, really cool Porsche. This is nice. And then you also have the APR sticker right there. So from every angle, it looks very, very sleek, looks very clean. I like this. We also have some drone shots of this vehicle. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna get in the vehicle and let's fire it up. This guy, he's from New York. Company up there, yeah?
I do.
What do you guys do?
We do burglar, fire, and camera work.
That's awesome. So sure, appreciate the service. Sounds good. hear the PDK, hear the rumble.
Oh, you hear the PDK shifting. What the PDK is, it's a manual transmission with an automatic shifter. It's
Yeah.
weird. It's weird thing built.
It's kind of like Formula One stuff a little bit.
Exactly.
Okay.
But it's nice.
Very cool, man. What a ride. That's amazing. First time I've been in with a Porsche race car driver. That's pretty crazy.
Well, he's the race car.
Oh, yeah. He's no joke.
No, he's definitely no joke.
Okay, everybody, that's my test drive and review of this Porsche 718 Cayman. It's unbelievable. It's great. It's going to a great home. And this is, we've got the bow on it and everything. This car, I'm telling you, obviously, I'm not a race car driver, but I was in this with one, a Porsche race car driver, in my opinion, and it's unbelievable. This car is a 10 out of 10. Also, importantly, please subscribe. I've got a lot of great car videos, and turn on the notification button. Also, please share it on your social media sites out there, and please give me some comments below. Which cars do you like? What do you think about this? What's the next car that you want to see? What's the next review you want to see? Importantly, this video is sponsored by the Cavalli Auto Group, and also please check all the very important disclaimers in the video description below on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. I'm John D. Villarreal for Alfa Romeo Maserati St. Pete. And listen, give me the comments below. Tell me what you want to see next. Tell me what cars you want to see. And also check the important disclaimers for some important information and also how to get in touch with me here at Alfa Romeo Maserati St. Pete. Thanks so much for watching. I'm John D. Villarreal. I'll see you next time.